Hi, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you the GearWrench 35-piece MicroDriver set. This is kind of interesting. They had them on sale, so they're like under $20 right now. I've seen them all over, under 50, but a few times you can find them under $25. For locksmithing, I'm finding more and more sort of offshore locks, especially some of the key knobs. They have exposed screws. So, but you got to get into it. So I need a little wrench set. And you'll see some more videos coming up. But I've been able to pull apart these locks. I don't have to pick the lock or drill it or anything. I just disassemble the lock from the screws. And some of them have the security bit sets, the Torx and whatnot. So the other set will be the Icon. And I've been on the wait list forever for getting that, and I got it. So we'll compare that after this. So what does it come with? Now, little MicroDriver, ratchet. And what I really like about this is I can take in some of my little Torx. Now, I have a security bit set. So if it has the security bits, I have more. This is just for getting in back behind the handles or pulling apart some of the electronic locks. Again, this is mostly the offshore stuff that I'm having with. If you were doing automotive work, this would be really handy for the tight spots. So this is what I got it for. I'll have some more videos on that. It's a nice little set. It's GearWrench. They make a pretty good product. It comes with some Torx, some flatheads, some of the Hex, Robertson, Phillips. It's and what a lot of other kits don't have. I don't even know what that one is. Oh, for the 1/4 inch. So it's a little socket set as well. So the 1/4 inch sockets are the most popular imperial as well as the metric. So it's got a nice little assortment. So pretty good. It looks like it'll do the trick on the doors. And again, it's for getting into tight little spots. It's got the ratchet on there. This is going to come in handy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.